Hello folks, it's Pushkar this side, and today I have a very important product update video for you. So you all know how Fuzen helps you build SaaS apps without any coding with its no-code tools and a little bit of AI. But over the last few months, we have been working very hard on bringing the AI part to the forefront. So we have developed an AI SaaS builder assistant which will lead the SaaS app development process and help you build the majority of the SaaS app. All you need to do is go to the SaaS Builder Assistant and tell it what kind of app you need in plain and simple English, and then watch the magic happen. Now, this is very important for three reasons. Number one, you don't need to learn any of Fuzen's no-code tools to start your app development. Number two, AI will give you a skeleton of an app which will be 50-60% accurate, and for the rest 40%, you can use Fuzen's no-code tools and a little bit of AI to make the desired changes. And number three, this whole process is lightning fast, so you can have a fully functional app in just a matter of minutes. Now, I can keep going on about it, but it would be much better and simpler if I just showed it to you. So let's take a look. Now we'll start by going to the SaaS Builder Assistant. So if you go to the menu, you'll see a SaaS Builder Assistant in the menu. Then just click on that to go to this page. And you can type what kind of app you need. So right now I'm planning to build a simple CRM application for the purpose of this demo video. So I'll just tell these SaaS Builder Assistant that I want a simple CRM for a real estate business. And let's see. Okay, so it understood what I need. So basically this is the data structure. In data structure, it's proposing that it will add a simple data collection for leads because it's a CRM. So we'll need a data collection or a data table for managing leads. And then it's also proposed a few pages: dashboard, lead creation form, and lead details pages. Okay, so I'm going to request for one more field to be added to the data collection. I want a next action date field to be added to the leads. So basically this is like follow-up date, follow-up reminder date. So if I want to do a follow-up, I can schedule it on a certain date. I'm calling it next action date. Then it has given me an updated structure and it looks okay. So I'm going to say build it for me. Okay. So the AI has created an app. We can check that. So we can see that the pages are currently being built and it has created a few pages: dashboard, lead creation form. In the app database, it's correctly created all the data fields that we had asked for. And in the pages section, we can see 3 pages. Okay. So it's proposed a structure for the dashboard page. Looks okay. So I'm going to say yes, create the dashboard page. So I think it's adding a few blocks. So now it's adding a card block. So it's going to add a card block, a header, and a table on the dashboard. That's what it has proposed, and I said it's okay. Okay, so it says that the dashboard page has been created successfully. We can check it. And yeah, it looks okay. So there is a card, there's a header, and there is a table. Okay. Now it has proposed the structure for the lead creation form, along with a card, header, and a form. So let's go ahead and see what it builds. So now it's adding a card and then it will add a header and a form. Because this is a lead creation form, it proposes that it will add a form along with all these fields: name, email, phone, address, status requirements. So basically all the fields would be there in the form where we can go and we can create new leads. Okay, so lead creation form has also been created and it looks okay. It looks okay. So status is a drop down. Next action date is a date field with a calendar. So I think it's okay. This is the structure for lead details page. And now it asks for some clarification. So with lead details page, I don't think it fully understood what the requirement was. So it has asked for a few clarifications. And I'm going to respond to that. I'm going to say I want to display the lead name at the top. So basically, whenever we go to a lead details, it should display the details of that lead, and I want lead name to be displayed at the top. And for all the other changes, I don't think a response is needed. So even if we don't respond to those specific things, it's okay. So we just, wherever we had inputs, we can add them. If we don't have any specific inputs, for example, for points 2, 3 and 4, I didn't have any specific inputs. So we can just ignore those. Okay, so now I think it's clear, the scope is clear, and it has proposed this kind of structure for the lead details page. It looks okay. It has an inline element, data display, delete button, and a form. So I'm going to say yes, build this page. And again, it will process these building blocks. It will add these building blocks one by one. And once it's added that, it will create that page. So in this page, we need a form. So if we go to a lead details page, we'll need a form to edit the lead details. The app has successfully created, so we can check how it's been created. If you go to the dashboard page, we can see the dashboard. If we go to the lead creation form, this is where we can create a new lead, so we can check that everything is working properly. So I'll just enter a few details and I'll try to create a lead. So status is a drop down where I selected the status should be active. This is an active lead, needs iPhone 16. And next action, I'm going to say call this lead on a specific date. This next action date is a calendar field. I can select a date from the calendar and then create this lead. Alright, so new lead is created, brings me to the dashboard. When I click on that lead, it takes me to the lead details page. So this is the lead details page where I can see lead name at the top. It has a form where I can edit and update the lead details. I can change the status, etc. And there is a button to delete this lead. If I don't want it, I can delete it. So what I'm going to do, I don't like the look of this delete button. If I want to change it, I'm going to show how this can be easily changed. So if I go to the page builder and if I select this delete button, if I want to change the look and feel of this delete button, I can easily do that. So I just said that instead of a proper button, just use an icon, use the trash icon and use a red, I'm going to say use a red colored icon. So I'm going to select the icon color to be red, update. Yeah, so you can see the delete button has been updated. If we save HTML and look at the live page, so you can see the delete button has been properly updated. So the reason I wanted to show you this is I wanted to highlight that AI is going to create the skeleton of the app for you, but then if you need to make any changes, any customizations, those are also possible. You don't need to go back to AI again and ask for changes. You can do that, but it would be much easier for the minor changes if you were able to manually do it. But the skeleton building process happens really fast. It took us around 7 minutes to build this app. So the skeleton of the app got ready in just 7 minutes. And then if I want to make any changes like change colors, change some labels, hide some fields, those are very easy to do with the no-code tools. So what I had to do is just go to the page builders, select the block that I wanted to edit. And then the editing is very easy. Just needed to select the colors and the format of the button, right? So this whole process becomes very fast. You use AI to build the skeleton of your app in very short time, and then you use the no-code tools to make the minor changes. But it still gives you a lot of flexibility. So you get your app skeleton with AI and then use the no-code tools, which gives you 100% flexibility. So that's the update that I wanted to show you. Right now, this SaaS builder is currently, it's being built. We're going to launch it in beta in January of next year. So very soon it's going to be available to you in beta. And we've opened a waitlist for that. So if you're interested in using this, sign up on Fuzen, go to the SaaS Builder Assistant, sign up on the waitlist, and we'll be happy to bring it to you very, very soon. All right. Thanks for staying with me this far. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Have a great day. Bye.